Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will repair this shoe ionizer. Let's begin. First of all, I will show you this device. It has a power supply 9 volts and 200 milliamps. This is the base and these are the two devices for the shoes. Now this wire is cut off, but this one it's not working either. I will take all to small pieces and I will take out the schematic. Let's begin. So let's see what we have here. As you can see, these are the electrodes, and here we have high voltage input. This is just the electrodes here. This is not very simple. Let's take this out. So this is a device. Let's see how it works. This is the input. This is the high voltage inverter. This we have high voltage. And these are voltage doubler. These are 3 kilovolts capacitors. First we see that the output is negative voltage, and second, for protection we have 1 mega ohm resistor here. Now let's make some measurements. Initially I will use this power supply from the main. You have to be very careful because it's danger high voltage. Let's measure the input voltage. It's 12 volts. Let's power this on. It's 11 volts. I can feel the smell, it is working. Now I will use my power supply to measure the current. So this is minus and this is plus. I can feel the smell that it's working, and the current is 60 milliamps. Now let's see the voltage on the primary of the transformer. Primary coil of the transformer, high voltage transformer. It's 11 volts amplitude, and frequency is 22 kilohertz. And this is the shape. I cannot measure to the output of the transformer because it's high voltage. Now let's discuss about this module. This is the input connector, this is the power on, and this switch, it's continuous and cycle mode. When it's continuous, it works continuous, and when we put this on cycle, we have 15 minutes on and 45 minutes pause, and so on. Now let's discuss the schematic. This is the schematic. Here is an oscillator with 22 kHz frequency. This is a driver transistor. This is the high voltage transformer. And this is a multiplier. I measure here it's 700 volts on the output, and 700 or multiplied by 3, output it's approximately 2 kilovolts. So here it's 700 volts. So that's the first multiplier, that's the second multiplier, and here is third multiplier. This is a capacitor of 10 nanofarads and 3 kilovolts, and this is the rectifier diode with for 3000 volts. Here it's a protection resistor, it's 1 mega ohm, and the output it's negative and it's put to the sharp shape, and the plus it's to the round shape, and that's where negative ions are made. I decided to make a DIY version of this module to use in the room. Now let's put all this together. Now I put these electrodes on. Remember, minus it's on the sharp side and plus it's on the round side. Now let's power on. You will not see anything, but it's working. I can see the smell. Now let's make some high voltage sparks. I hope that you can see it and hear it. Now I will put everything together, and I will use this to remove the unpleasant smell from the shoes. And I also will use this in my room to remove the bad smells from the room. I will put under the bed. If you want me to make DIY version of this, please put a comment. And if you like this video, please give a big like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye.